Welcome to DiamondTab. In this video the instruction how to mount dry erase magnetic whiteboard will be shown. In every package there are two different type of mounting hardware. 4 double-sided adhesive pads for permanent mounting. And 8 very strong magnetic strips with adhesive side for portable mounting. Type 2, Portable 1. Valid for one-sided version of erase magnetic surface board. Step 1. Peel off protective paper from the magnetic strips. Step 2. Apply 4 strips on each of the corner on back of the board. Step 3. Place it on your fridge or other magnetic surface. The board is installed. It might be mounted vertically or horizontally. For other types of mounting, especially portable ones, please take a look at another videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.